That's the full pull for Sean Glover. That's the full pull for Sean Glover. Now we'll pull it back and add more weight.
I'll tell you in a minute.
I got about
Full pull for Sean Glover.
Hey, Hoy. Hey. Don't you want this other piece of pizza? I'm good. How about your daddy's? I'm good. How about your dad? I'm tired of holding it.
All righty, now everybody get out your 50-50 tickets. We're going to check them.
I hope I win. I never buy that stuff.
You got the gray 50-50 ticket number 660-2736. You got it. Ends in 736. Sean Glover.
Got a new
You got
king.
everybody at the full pull.
The king.
Ray Mark, you paying attention to this?
Ah!
We need you down sled whenever you get ready.
The rain
You got it. Ends in 736.
Come on, Sean. Come on, Sean. Come on, Sean. You got this. Keep going.